We're delighted to be partnering with the Department of Primary Industries in the National Year of Reading Writer in Residence project, and we have got Sophie Hanson as our Writer in Residence in New South Wales. She's doing some fantastic stories for the blog One Farm Day, which tells the story of people working in the agricultural industry in New South Wales. I encourage you to have a look at the website or the blog site, where there are some really wonderful stories that show the diversity of agriculture.
Halfway between Marlon and Newbury. So it's a booming.
Yep, oh yeah.
Down this morning before